Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking. Web Institute is the place to take your career to the next level. Cybercrime is a major threat in the world. Play your role in the cybersecurity world. Be a part of the cybersecurity world. Web Institute offers various type of cybersecurity and ethical hacking courses. Certified Ethical Hacker Training CEH, CompTIA Security Plus Certification Training SYO 701 exam. Penetration Testing with Kali Linux. Certified Penetration Testing Professional CPENT. Diploma in Cyber Security and Ethical Hacking. The industry's leaders are here. Life can be changed by the right decision at the right time. Join us today. Visit webinstitute.com.bd. Build your skills, not your resume.